Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a web-based storytelling tool called Storyboard. Storyboard is a storytelling tool which enables you and your learners to create your own stories or comic strip as they call them. It is a really user-friendly tool. It's inspiring and it's very easy to design your own comic strip with the bubble speech and with all of the scenes and the characters and everything that is really suitable for the level of your learners. Let's have a look at the, without any further ado, let's have a look at the web page of Storyboard itself. You just need to log on www.storyboard.com, and then you can just create your account. I have already created my account. I'm already logged on. So create your account and use the free version of Storyboard, which really enables you to have at least 6 stages in your story. You can extend it if you have the pro version, but you can just keep on using the free version until you decide to go pro. But even with the free version, it's really intuitive, and if you have a look at the affordance, like you can add the text in here. This is a story that I have already created, and you can customize it. You can add these different scenes, as you can see on this example of storyboard that I created. You can add even text about vocabulary related to the different scenes you have on the story. You can customize the characters, and then you can make it really personal. And let's have a look at how to create a storyboard. If you click on create storyboard, you will see how it appears in here. You will have the windows open already, and then you can just drag and drop all of the scenes you decide to include in the story. As you can see, you have a variety of scenes. There is a wealth of scenes in here. They have 45,000 editable elements. You can choose the characters you like, and even among the characters you can have sports characters, teens, kids, adults, and all these variety about classical era, which is really interesting for classroom use. It's really intuitive. Young learners can use it, or teachers can just make it personal for classroom use. For example, you even have the text tables, which allow you to add the text. You can choose the speech bubble you like. You can even have shapes. You even have web and technology, which is really interesting in here. Or you can upload the photo from your browser. I think that's for the pro version. Let's go back to the scenes and have a look, and maybe give it a try and add some scenes in our first story. If you add a scene, for example, let's talk about the town or school. Let's make it interesting. For example, you want to add a classroom. You just drag and drop the scene in here, and that's how it appears. You can just go back to the characters and do the same. Choose a character. You can customize the character. For example, this guy looks like a teacher. Just let out the teacher here in the classroom. You can just change the size of the teacher. You can just customize it. You can see how easy it is to manipulate. It is really uh, intuitive and easy peasy lemon squeezy, as they say. Let's make the teacher stand next to the board in here. All right. As you can see, you can make it rotate. You can add the layers. You can add hair if you like. If you want, just customize it. You can edit. You can do whatever you like with your characters. You can add in layers in here, and then if you're done, you can just remove the scene if you're not satisfied with it. You just click on it. You can add another scene. You can add another scene, and then the characters are going to be fixed in the classroom. So this is how easy it is to make your own story. You can add all the scenes you want and then make it really personal. So I hope you really enjoy it. Use your imagination as an English teacher to create your own storyboard, story or comic strip, and use it with your learners in the classroom. Thank you. See you very soon.